One time here. Are you ready?
Yes,
Welcome back, guys.
thank you. Thank you.
Welcome back home.
Thank you. Nice. Okay. Hi. Yeah, the swimming pool on the right hand side. Oh, and the ocean view and yeah, the beautiful cape. Wow. Ah, wow. So the bathtub is also with the ocean view and then facing the pool.
Yes, please.
Nice. Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So now I'm moving to another area in Phuket and I'm moving to the Paresa Hotel in Phuket. So I've stayed here before and this time I'm in room 262, which is closer, to have the ocean view and the cliff or the cape they call, with the view. So last time I think I stayed a little bit up there, but now change of view, which is nice. So this is the ocean pool suite, and I'm going to give you a quick room tour. So again, very nice, with the note, with the welcome fruit and some snacks, and a very comfortable sofa area here. This is a hotel that has a Michelin Guide Restaurant as well as under Elegant Hotel Collection. So that's the reason why I'm coming back to experience it again. So you can see here they have the capsule coffee machine, they have the nice teapot and kettle, as well as for the water bottle for activities and things like that. Okay, so let me check. Okay, so they have the mugs, the glasses, and some wine glasses. Okay, so this is the living room area, very comfortable and separate by the center table with the bedroom or the beds. Okay, so they have again very thick mattress, nice linen and big pillow, king size bed, and then this is the work desk over here. Okay, so this is kind of the room inside, and of course the wonder is outside. And before we go out to see the pool, I also want to show you the extensive, lovely bathroom, which is, to me, is very signature. Okay, so they have two-sided, two bathrooms, male and female, and then slippers, all the amenities, mosquito repellent and things like that. And they have the hair dryer here. Okay, and then they have umbrella on that side, and then they have the beach bed on this side, so I'm like walking back and forth. Okay, so this is you know, as I say, male and female on one side, you know, the same, and then also on the other side. And then for those who have been watching my channel, you know I like fresh flowers in the room, and they have it in the kitchen, which is nice. Okay, and then look at this. Okay, they have the rain shower inside. Okay, and you know the toilet area, and they have the bathtub. Oh my God, facing the ocean, and then actually that's the pool. That's my private pool. So I'm going to show you in a bit. And then if you do not like the indoor shower, this is the outdoor shower. Okay, let me see how I can open that. Okay. So this is the huge area for the outdoor shower, the rain shower. And of course from here, I can jump into my swimming pool. What a great size swimming pool, and with the privacy. You know, one thing I really like about this hotel is how it's being built and the high level of privacy that it provides. Okay, I will close the door later because okay, done. Okay, so let's walk out from here. Okay. Sorry. There you go. Okay, so this is where I can sit here, you know, and then enjoying the sunset view, although it's a little bit cloudy today. But this is my pool, my swimming pool, and then facing the cape, you know, the cape view and the sunset view. And you can hear the ocean breeze and everything. As I say, one thing I really like in this hotel is its privacy. You know, technically, nobody can see you. And of course, you cannot see anyone. Okay. So here you go. Okay. So I'm getting back inside. I have booked a dinner for tonight, and then I will also have breakfast here tomorrow morning. So I will show you everything, my experience again here at the Paresa Resort in Phuket. Oh, perfect. Thank you. Thank you.